Hey there, fellow programmers. Today, we're diving into the world of Python and unraveling the mysteries of strings. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned coding wizard, this quick and engaging journey will surely add a sparkle to your programming arsenal. So, let's kick things off by tackling a classic challenge, finding the length of a string. You know, that fundamental piece of information that tells you just how many characters are hiding inside. Now, you might be wondering, what sorcery is this? But fear not, my friends. This is where Python's elegance truly shines. In a single line of code, we're creating a powerful little function, using what's called a lambda expression. Okay, let's break it down. str_length is our function's name. You can totally customize this, but for clarity, I'm keeping it straightforward. Now, that lambda keyword, think of it as summoning a coding genie. It's a concise way to define small functions on the fly. See that s inside the parentheses? That's the string we want to measure. Lens does the magic, it calculates the length of the string s. Beautiful, right? Time for the grand finale, the actual demonstration. Are you ready to see this in action? Brace yourselves. Drum roll, please. Let's see the magic happen. And just like that, we've unlocked the secret to discovering the length of any string, hello, world, in our case. And there you have it, fellow programmers. In a mere 3 minutes, we've gone from code to clarity. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, this quick and engaging journey has surely sparked your curiosity for the world of Python strings. Stay tuned for more coding adventures, and until then, keep on crafting those lines of code like the true wizards you are. Happy coding!